In today's video, I'm going to give you a beginner-friendly overview of how to manage campaigns in HubSpot. We'll cover how to find campaigns, create one from scratch, and add assets so you can start tracking performance right away. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing tab in the main navigation. From there, click on Campaigns. This is your central hub for organizing and tracking all your marketing efforts in one place. To create a new campaign, click the Create button. You'll have the option to start from scratch or use a template. If you're new, starting from scratch is usually the easiest way to understand how everything works. Click Next, and you'll see several fields to fill out. Begin by giving your campaign a clear name. You can also assign a color label to keep things organized visually. Set a campaign owner, choose a start and end date, and define a goal. You can even add notes or define a target audience. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now that your campaign is set up, the next step is to add assets. Assets are the pieces of content connected to your campaign, things like blog posts, emails, forms, landing pages, or social posts. Open your campaign and click Add Assets. If you already have content created in HubSpot, you can simply select it and attach it to the campaign. If not, you can create a new asset directly from this screen. For example, you might create a new form and connect it immediately. Keep in mind that for HubSpot to fully track performance inside a campaign, the assets typically need to be created within HubSpot. External pages can sometimes be tracked with additional setup, but native HubSpot assets are the simplest option. Once your assets are added, head over to the Performance tab inside the campaign. This is where you'll see data start to populate as people interact with your content. If you've added multiple assets, you'll be able to compare their performance and see which ones are generating the most engagement or conversions. That's the foundation of managing campaigns in HubSpot. Create the campaign, attach your assets, and monitor performance in one organized dashboard. And that's how you manage campaigns in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.